The National Weather Service has instituted a winter storm watch in effect from late Tuesday night through Thursday morning. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 2 feet possible.
A lot, hopefully. It's supposed to snow, at least a foot. That wind is pretty relentless. Make sure that's nice and closed. Gotta get used to keeping the exhaust for my heater clear enough for the exhaust cap. Cute little spot. Earlier to get some video this morning. Oh my gosh. Well, it is properly snowy. Look at that. Look at my legs. It's still been snowing all morning, so it's like these are my knees right here. So it's just about up to there. None has come. So maybe I'll get a head start. I mean, they will come. So down there, you can see the bathroom I went to last night. But there's an on-ramp that is plowed onto a highway that runs underneath. Eventually, this Look at how beautiful the weather just got. It's unbelievable. Like a proper bluebird day, which was not in the forecast whatsoever. I've had a lot of different shovels before, but I always end up coming back to these, aluminum shovels because this light fluffy stuff is not the only snow that I shovel a lot. And once this gets compacted in the snowpack, those plastic shovels, like the driveway shovels, just break. They're kind of useless to take up that much space. These also fold up really small. Okay, now, you know what? I'm gonna do this actually. Because in rear wheel drive, when the tires spin, you just tilt down the hill this way, which is not ideal. Plow and shimmy this back and forth. Alright, let me go tighten those chains. Oh. Come on. We're sliding. We're sliding, but we're sliding the right way.